Israeli innovation is at it again. This time, two Israeli scientists have just harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to develop and test life-saving drugs, a process that usually takes millions of dollars in funds and potentially up to 15 years in medical trials. Needless to say, this is a potentially game-changing achievement. The technology was developed a few weeks ago at a conference in London where it stunned audiences with its efficiency. The system uses advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to basically map out all the molecules in the system, of which there are sometimes billions, if not trillions, and isolate which molecules may have clinical use. The system then maps out all those molecules in a kind of biological language that essentially writes a potential medical outline for a proposed treatment. And that's where artificial intelligence finally kicks in. Because unlike the 10 to 15 years it takes normally for new meds to typically clear the FDA, this process does virtually all the testing in the computer. A highly advanced formula computes all the potential molecular connections of the proposed treatment and can isolate unknown or unforeseen side effects from each. Now, it's important to note here that at some point, much of this data is still theoretical until it's tested on actual organisms. But still, the power to process and simulate thousands, if not millions, of potential outcomes at once is a staggering step forward in generating new, safe drugs at lightning-fast speeds. This technology is the brainchild of two brilliant Israelis, Shachar Hael and Dr. Kira Rudinsky. And if Dr. Rudinsky's name sounds familiar to you, there's a good reason why. She was recently appointed to a panel of the United Nations that guards the world's digital connections and cybersecurity. So needless to say, I think they have the right mind for the job.